Line graph in AI Connect. Here, data of the given table is used to draw a line chart. To draw a line chart in AI Connect, create a project. In it, create basic coding activity. Then, follow the given steps. Step 1. Go to the Variables category and click on the Create Variable block. Create two variables named X and Y. Step 2. Drag Set2 block from Variables category. Click on the arrow in it to select X. Attach Create List of block from List category inside Set2 block. Step 3. Click on plus in the Create List of block and add the number value in the available spaces. Repeat the step 2 and 3 for the values of variable Y. In this graph plot, values for year is displayed on the x-axis and pair of shoes on the y-axis. Step 4. Attach Make Plots title block and type the title of the graph inside the block. Step 5. Attach Make Plots x-axis label block and Make Plots y-axis label block. Type the x-axis and y-axis title in the respective blocks. Step 6. Attach Plot XS versus YS block from Matplot subcategory and add the variables X and Y in their respective axis name. Step 7. Attach Show Plot Canvas block in the end to show the graph on the stage area. Then click on Run button.